Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rasidrida. And do you guys have any questions about the discourse and grammar?
What is collocation? What is collocation?
Collocation.
Can you give the example?
Collocation. The simple way to explain it is the the word that connected together naturally. Like, for example, like fast food, not quick food. So like junk food, not trash food. Something like that. Okay. Any other question?
So can you explain again about that collocation? So I'm still confused about why we use fast food instead of quick food.
I think because it sounds more naturally, like if we using like trash food, trash is has negative, really negative. How to say it? Well, really negative word. What junk food and less. Okay.
So it's about the
Naturality of the. How about
Could you
it?
explain about the ellipsis? Ellipsis.
Ellipsis is basically omitting or removing a certain part of the a text. For example, like this. For example, like when we ask someone, do you have anything to say to her? And we reply, we can reply without saying like I want to say blah 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 to her. We just say blah 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 to her instantly without for you.
Could you explain about the type of conjunction?
Conjunction, there is four type of conjunction. The first one is additive. Additive is like adding more information. For example, and furthermore, something like that. The second one is comparative. Comparative is like the opposition. Like for example, like this. Amira is smart, but she very lazy. Something like that. But something like that. And the next is temporal. Temporal. It's basically like a time, like when, since. Amira.
Stop using Amira.
Okay, something like that. Since. And the last is like consequential, like because of Amira laziness, something like that. Do you guys still have any?
Can you explain about bridging?
Huh? What?
You've been saying about bridging.
Bridging. It's part of reference.
Yeah, part of reference. There's 6 of them.
The last
Bridging. Isn't a reference until homophoric?
So maybe it's another in another part.
we mentioned about bridging. So what are the type of reference that you know?
That I know is anaphoric, cataphoric, exophoric, and homophoric. So anaphoric is basically the item that already refers earlier. For example, like Hal Jordan is a Green Lantern. He is very powerful. He is the anaphoric of Hal Jordan is the anaphoric of he, and cataphoric is like the later in the text. For example, like this. After he got the shield, Captain America blocked the projectile. Exophoric is the out of the text. It's in context. For example, look at that. What is that? So that is the exophoric. And the last is homophoric. Homophoric is like the cultural knowledge. Everyone know. Like for example, when we say the American eats burger a lot, what the American we refer to? We refer the American of the United States of America people, not the American people. So something like that.
You can ask about coherence.
Yeah, do you know? Can you explain about the coherence and cohesion?
Coherence is basically like the word that logical connection, have a logical connection. For example, like this: I eat burger, the plane crash. It doesn't have any connection, right? It doesn't have a logical. It's not coherent. Okay. Assalamualaikum guys. Good morning. My name is Muhammad Rasirida. Do you guys have any question about our topic today? Okay. Woo!
Okay, so I would like to ask, what do you think about how important grammar in this when you do discourse analysis? Is it important, grammar?
Of course, it is important because language have a structure and rules, and we must to use a language more effectively. We must follow the rules and follow the knowledge and rules basically.
It's not basic of the context, like you don't think analysis discourse not basically on the the outside of the text. You need to understand the grammar too. You mean like that?
Of course. The grammar is the rules, and context is the outside, and both of them is important. Another you.
Okay, I would ask you a question. So, what do you think the difference between metaphoric and anaphoric? And give me an example in our daily life.
Cataphoric and anaphoric.
Metaphoric, yeah.
Okay, the first is cataphoric. Cataphoric is part of the reference, and cataphoric. Cataphoric is that a reference that in the text that later will be revealed. For example, like this. After she opened the door, Husna trip and fall down. The Husna is the cataphoric of the she. And anaphoric is the earlier, the before. For example, Husna fell down and she hurt a lot. So Husna is the anaphoric of the she.
Got it, thank you.
Okay. Another, how about you?
Okay. Can you explain the difference between the branch of lexical cohesion? Like there's few of lexical cohesion, like substitution, another.
The types of lexical question. The first one is repetition. Repetition is using the same word over and over. For example, Salwa hates ice cream, and Salwa eat it anyway. So it's used it's repetition Salwa. And the second is synonym. The synonym, for example, the synonym is using the word that has a similar meaning for it to avoid the repetition. For example, the car is broken, and the vehicle is unrepairable, so something like that. A car and vehicle. And the next is antonym. Antonym is like the opposition. For example, the test is very hard for other people, but for me it's very easy. Hard, easy. The next is meronym. Meronym is basically the whole part to the part. For example, the car is broken thanks to the tire. And the next is hyponym. Hyponym is like the general to specific. Sawa broke food, and apple is her favorite. So fruit and apple. But
I want to ask about the conjunction. There are four types of it.
Yeah.
What's its difference?
So the first one is additive. Additive is adding more information. So the example of additive is like and furthermore, something like that. That the point is to add more information, like how like adding information. And the second one is comparative. Comparative is using the opposition. For example, what is the easiest one? Salwa. Salwa is very smart girl, but she is very lazy. It's opposite the. And the next is temporal. Temporal is the time. For example, like when, since, and etc. And the last is consequential. Consequential is for example, because like consequence.
What do you think why do you think no? Why homophoric related into common knowledge or cultural?
Homophoric. What?
Why does it related to cultural?
It's not culture, like general knowledge that all people know. So it doesn't use to refer. For example, like this. Like we say that the Americans love its burger. So what American? American is many, right? But we all know the American is the United States of America people. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rasidila. Today I'm gonna answer your questions about discourse and grammar. Do you guys have any questions? You. What is your question?
So, can you tell me types of reference?
Type of reference.
Your,
There are
as
four.
far as you know.
There are four types of reference as far as I know. The first is anaphoric. Anaphoric is the reference that inside the text, but it refers to earlier on the text. For example, like this. Batman is Bruce Wayne, and he is very handsome. For example, like that. Batman is the anaphoric of he, and the second one is cataphoric. Cataphoric is later, the inside the text, but later the opposite of anaphoric. So it's something like this. So she fell, and Intan feeling so hurt, something like that. So Intan is the cataphoric of she. The next is exophoric. Exophoric is the outside of the text. For example, look at that. What is that? That is anaphoric. Exophoric. The last is homophoric. Homophoric is the cultural knowledge that we all know. All we all know. For example, like the easy way example that I know is the American. American love its burger. So what American we refer in? Yeah, the United States of America people, not the all continent of America. You
Can you slow down?
okay?
Can you explain why the relationship between grammar and structural discourse and structural grammar, the relationship between them, and why it's important to learn?
So the relationship of the discourse and grammar is the rules of using the language and stuff. So the rules always has to be relation with the language. So this discourse it's like context and stuff has the rules, like so. Just connect it. That is I know. I cannot explain it more. You.
Can you explain about ellipsis?
Ellipsis is basically omitting or removing the part of item in the text. For example, like this. If I say, I will use the example of the book. For example, when I ask you, what do you want to say about her? So usually we reply with, I want to say blah 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 to her. So we can omit the I want to say, just to make it shorter.
There are questions also coherent. Like, what's the difference between the two of them?
As far as I know, cohesion is the item that how to say, explain it. That related. It's basically like a pair, like if this and this connect naturally. For example, like fast food, not quick food. Junk food, not trash food. So and by coherence is something like I will give you. This is I know. For example, like this. Putra walking and the plane crash or something like that. There is no coherence. Coherence is basically that I know is logical connection between the time in the text. Logical connection that makes sense.
Can you tell the difference between substitution and ellipsis?
Substitution is basically substitute or changing. For example, like this. Do you like the book? And we can reply as yes, I do. Do is changing the book. While omission just removing. Like for example, like like earlier example, like what do you want to say about her? She's beautiful. We removing the I want to say she is very beautiful. Something like that. Okay, is there any questions? 20 seconds.
Why are you so powerful?
I don't know. I feel excited this more
So
this.
you feel so passionate.
You're so passionate. I mean, you and Honey.
Huh?
You and Honey so passionate.
In this video, no.
What?
You might want to add explanations rather than we ask. Because we present, right? You might want to add.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rashid Hida. Do you guys have any questions about our topic today, or I gonna choose?
Yes.
Yo.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Please explain to me about the collocation.
Huh?
Collocation.
What?
Collocation.
Oh, as far as I know, collocation is basically that words that have a relationship that pair together to naturally. For example, like fast food, not quick food, or junk food, or not trash food, something like that.
Thank you so much.
But you something that well.
Could you please tell us about the difference between the substitution and the reference?
The easiest way to differentiate is substitution is changing ellipsis. What? Substitution and what? Reference. Oh, so reference is the item that can retrieve inside and outside the text, while substitution is changing the item in the text. That is basically the difference.
Yes.
Yeah, well, we want an example. So, reference example, there are many examples. For I take anaphoric, for example, like Husna driving a car, and suddenly she got accident. Husna is anaphoric of the is the reference of the she, while the substitution, substitution.
She is the reference of
Of-
Husna.
Husna is reference of that too. But the substitution is changing. For example, like do you like the book? And we can reply yes I do, not yes I do like the book. It's too long, so we can just changing the book. So yes I do, like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you explain me about the difference between cohesion and coherence?
What? Cohesion and coherence.
Yes.
Cohesion is the relationship of the item that the relationship of the item that link together to make the item to make the text more smoother. And coherence is the logical connection between the text. For example, of the coherence is like Husna driving a car while Saflina fly. There is no connection between two of them, so it's not coherence. Coherence is like a logical connection, so it's much smooth.
What about the cohesion example?
Huh? Cohesion example, like reference, like how conjunction, lexical coherence, something like.
So what is the key point of that?
Key point of
Of the cohesion and coherence.
cohesion is the relationship of the item that link the in the text. Like item has a relationship.
Okay. And then coherence make it logical.
Coherence is the logical connection between the text. I don't know how to explain it, but I know it's logical connection.
I get you, brother.
Dom.
What is the meaning of synonym?
Synonym is the word that has similar meaning. For example, car, vehicle, what else? Like, like that. Huh? How?
What's the use? What's the use for it in a text
In the
situation
text situation. For example,
What is
you want to talk about like, oh yeah, For example, you want to avoid repetition in the text, and you want to use it like this. The car is crashed, and fortunately the vehicle is safe. So you want to avoid repetition, so you using synonym like that.
How many seconds left?
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
So we have 2 minutes left.
No, 30 seconds left. Oh, 30 seconds left. Take a breath, Rachel.
Just sing a song, man. I don't know.
It's just what?
Yeah, just sing us a song, man. Sing.
The two of them like, this person, yes.
Yeah, it's so different between the previous three where they're like just chill and
You're so on fire.
those two.
Yeah, those you get so excited. You're like the male and female version of the introvert and extrovert. Yeah. But you did a great job.
Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, my name is Muhammad Rasirida. Do you guys have any questions about our topic today? You, whatever you have questions.
Can you explain about references and if could possible give examples?
All of them. Okay, references is the item that can be retrieved inside or outside the text. So reference can divide it for the first one anaphoric. Anaphoric is that refer earlier in the text. For example, Devi wants to pee, but she cannot go. So Devi is anaphoric of the she. The next is cataphoric. Cataphoric is the later in the text. For example, she really wants to go out, but Devi cannot go. So Devi is the cataphoric of she in the earlier. The next is exophoric. Exophoric, the outside of the text. For example, look at that. What is that? That what is that? Also outside of the text. So and the last is homophoric. Homophoric is like the cultural knowledge that everyone know. For example, that I repeatedly say is like, for example, the American people. What do you think about American people? For example, in this, the American people love to eat burger. So what kind of American? American is big, right? But we know the American in this context is what I want to say is the United States of America people, not all of American continent. For you.
Could you explain the difference between cohesion and character?
Cohesion is the item that has relationship between other item that link together to make the text more smoother. While what? Cohesion and coherent, right? So while coherent is the logical connection between them. For example, Gandhi is driving. Devi is want to go out. So it's not logic, right? Why we suddenly to go? So that is not coherent. The coherent is its flow. Okay. Oh yeah, I see. I'm sorry.
Can you explain anything about lexical cohesion?
Huh?
Lexical cohesion.
Lexical cohesion is the item that lexical cohesion is the lexical cohesion is the relationship between the item that has related meaning, something like that. So in the lexical cohesion there is the synonym, antonym, repetition, meronym, and hyponym. Repetition using the same language. Synonym is using the word that's similar. Antonym is opposite. The meronym is from whole part to the only just part. And hyponym from the group to the specific.
Okay, my question is, what is? Could you explain about substitution?
Substitution.
Yes.
Only substitution. So substitution.
Collocation, conjunction.
Yeah, okay, substitution. Substitution is basically changing the item in the text. For example, like this. substitution, substitution, do you really like him? You can say like, yes, I really like him, but we can substitute him with do. Yes, I do, something like that. So it's more small.
Thank you.
Okay, do you guys have any other question? My video suddenly pause because the IM3 Uridu, the notification from the bottom, it kills my video. So do you guys have any other question?
Maybe no.
Do you have any question? How about you? You? I don't know what time is because
Maybe you want to explain the important part in this reading.
important part. All of them is important.
The difference between it's already mentioned the cohesion right?
Huh?
The difference between cohesion and correlation.
Cohesion and? I already explained it earlier. Yeah.
Yeah.